Mabuhay everyone, Marcus here. Welcome to the channel. I just finished my Sunday run today and played a couple of games with this. So I just got them yesterday and it was almost a week since I ordered this, but no more complaints. Finally I got them. I really like the design and how layered the sneaker is. Layered but still not too much, if you get what I'm saying. Aesthetics wise, I really like it. How they use of different materials. There's hologram here around the lace loop and this perforated around the tongue, and this synthetic material that's the white nice is actually the white nice colorway, and for the toe box area made of synthetic leather. So let's find out if it performs. So before we start the more detailed review of this sneaker, I would just like to tell you guys that my raffle is still ongoing. I'm not just giving away one sneaker but a couple of sneakers, so better follow me here in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and of course Twitter, and comment down below why I should give you a sneaker, and don't forget to put your Instagram handle below the comment. Alright, don't forget about that, guys. So let's go back to the sneaker. So for the upper, it's mostly made out of mesh, which has a perforated foam back, which is, I think, a very nice combination of materials. It is not too bulky and still giving you enough ventilation around the entire upper. And of course, like I said, this fused or rather synthetic leather on the toe backs area, preventing you from toe drags and extra durability on the sneaker. And of course, this white noise detail here gives you lateral support. Strap also works because you can tighten it like that if you want more lockdown to the footbed, especially around the midfoot area. So overall, while I was playing with this today, no slipping on the footbed. And another thing that helps in the lockdown in the footbed is this cushion. Goes up really high on the lateral part and on the middle part. All throughout the sneaker, actually, when you're cradled, your foot is cradled, your foot is not moving anywhere in the sneaker. So that's very nice. What I really like about the Whynot, even the Whynot 0.2 has that feature, which I really love. It cradles your foot really nicely. And moving to the back part of the sneaker, it has very nice cushion, Achilles pillows, and heel support is very nice, very comfy. Lockdown, no problem. You're very well locked down. And there's internal, actually just this synthetic leather, and plus this cushion that cups your foot. Oh no, there's an internal, sorry about that. It's just a little bit lower. So there's an internal TPU counter. So that's for heel protection. But still, it's very soft. That's what at first touch I thought there's no heel counter inside, but there is, because it's very well cushioned. So that's a nice thing. You won't notice the heel counter at all. And the upgrade of this one from the Whynot 0.2 is this pull tab. That's what's lacking on the Whynot 0.2. Is this inner layer doesn't have a pull tab. It's not attached to the pull tabs. So when you're pulling it away, it's not dragging the inner layer, so it's harder to put your foot in. But with this one, it is stitched in the inner layer, so it will really open up. So I guess Jordan brand listened to the consumers by doing that, because a lot of people were complaining about that. It was a bit hard to put your foot in, especially the high version, because the inner layer doesn't have the heel tab. Now moving on to the cushion of the sneaker. It has this very soft injected phylon all throughout the sneaker, plus of course this forefoot zoom unit, which is known in the Jordan Whynot 0.22. And I think this is kind of articulated, if I'm not mistaken, what I've read in the details. And at first wear, feel it just a bit, so you need to play with them more to feel the forefoot zoom unit. And another thing that I like about the setup with the cushion is on the 0.2, you can feel the curve of the zoom bag a bit on the 0.2, but with this one it is more flat. That's why I think they made it articulated, so it's more flat just need to break it in. Put the injected file on, no break-in time needed there. Impact protection on the heel is okay too, or rather very nice, very similar to the 0.2. And they made this one a little bit lower compared to the 0.2, which is another thing that I think is good because you still didn't sacrifice the impact protection, still maintaining the bounciness in the forefoot and giving you extra court feel and responsiveness. And now moving on to the traction of the sneaker. It is made out of this like a lightning bolt traction. And let's talk about the rubber compound. It is XDR rubber. It's actually durable rubber. It is made for outdoor, so outdoor use is safe. And it's really hard laying here. You can see it's still very clean. And the court is kind of clean today, but still no dust pickup. No signs of dust in any areas, which is good. There's no squeakiness, but still it grips really well on the floor. You need to break it in a bit and the traction will improve as you use them. As you know, this decoupled outsole, which is very nice, which gives you a very nice heel-to-toe transition and stability around the midfoot. So you can see that, very nice heel-to-toe transition. Another thing that I like about this is they lessen the curve of the outsole, so it's more stable compared to the Whynot 0.2. So that's an upgrade on this one. And you can also see the curvature here. On the forefoot, there's a curve. And also on the mid part, bending over the outsole, so it's more curved. And I like that subtle improvements on the Whynot 0.3. The 0.2 is already an awesome performer and they improved in this one a little bit more. So that's very nice. Good job, Jordan brand, for sticking to your plan that you're more focused on performance right now this year, starting with the 34s and now with the Whynots. So kudos, props to Jordan brand again. And so that's it for my initial review of the Whynot 0.3. And as for sizing, half a size down, go with what's your size in the 0.2. But if you don't have the 0.2, regular footers, half size down, wide footers, go true to your size. The price of the Whynots is 6,400 pesos, so not bad for a very nice performing sneaker. And it is actually lighter compared to the Whynot 0.2, the original one, the high cut one. Weight is kind of similar to the SE version. So let me know what you think about the sneaker. Would you cop them? I really love the colors of this white noise too. I'm glad I was able to cop it. And let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment down below. This is Marches. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.